Hello guys, who is ready to make some money? Today I want to talk about 3 stocks that will outperform the market even with the rising yields and market volatility. 2 of them are big behemoths that are rising steadily but slowly. And the last one is a little bit riskier play, but it's grossly undervalued at the moment. But before we dive in, if you enjoy watching my videos, please support the channel and subscribe down below. Show me some love by hitting the like button, leave me a comment down below. So the first company on the list is Ford, symbol ticker F. This company was left for dead last year. It touched an absolute low of $4 and has been rising steadily ever since. It's now trading at around $13.40. It had a strong finish on Friday. This is a strong company with strong sales, lots of sales, and it's making very good moves into EV space. And it's being undervalued. It is undervalued considering what the future holds for this company. Their electric Ford Mustang is a piece of beauty. If you haven't seen it yet, just Google Ford E-Mac Mustang. It's a piece of beauty, and it's competing directly with Tesla, and it's supposedly stealing a lot of their sales. They have electric pickup coming up, F-150, and they're moving into electric delivery vans that they have already big purchase orders for. So they're firing shots on all fronts in the EV space, but their value is still not showing it. We got some Chinese startups that are barely delivering a few thousand cars every month, and they have bigger valuations than this company. And they have a lot of money behind them, and more importantly, they have manufacturing capabilities. So when they finally have all the knickknacks found out for these cars and trucks, they will start ramping up production fast. They got the factories, they got the workers, they got the machinery. They just need everything to be tested out and put into production and fly past everyone. This company will go to $25 to $20 easily this year, maybe even higher. It is owned 71% of the stock is owned by institutions. That shows a lot of good faith in this company by big money players. So the next company is Ally Financials. It has been outperforming the financial sector for the last year and a half. It has almost tripled in the last 18 months, and it beat analyst earnings expectations for the last 8 times it reported earnings. And more importantly, the pandemic has only made them stronger. They have made great pivots out of the car loan industry to diversify their revenue streams and to make their company more resilient to shocks in one particular sector. So they are almost exclusively owned by institutions. I checked them on Finintel and on Webull, and both are showing more than 100% of the stock is owned by institutions. I don't know how this is possible, but it shows that a lot of big players are buying this company. So there is probably not a lot of free tradable float available. And if we check the stock price, this company was moving higher a few percent every day, even when the bond yields were rising and the market was volatile. Yeah, this stock was also volatile, but if we see the trajectory of the stock price, it is clearly moving higher, not like other tech plays that we have seen that have plummeted by 50-60%, some even. So put it on your radar, because this stock is going higher. It's not rocket ships and to the moon kind of stuff, but it's going a few percent every day, every week, higher and higher and higher. And by the end of the year, I think this will reach $70 easily. And the last one is the riskiest one, because it's tied to Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is very, very strong at the moment. It just broke through that $60,000 resistance, and it's hovering around that level. Now we will see just in a second why that is so important, because this company is currently trading at $30, but the last time Bitcoin was at 55,000, this company was valued at $40 and $42. And since then, it's received two analyst price targets of $45. But that was before Bitcoin breached that $60,000 mark. Why is that important? Because they are mining Bitcoin, but also they have a microgrid solutions business, so they are not entirely into Bitcoin. But with Bitcoin firing higher, and we could this week see it test all the way up to $70,000, this stock could easily go to $50 or $55. That is almost 100% increase, because in the recent sell-off due to bond yields, this has sold off too far down, and it is grossly undervalued at the moment. And with Bitcoin being so strong as it is, this has no place in the $30. It should be easily trading around $40 to $50 range. So put it on your watch list and watch what it does this week, because if it doesn't move a lot higher on Monday, it could be an excellent position to get into this stock and wait for liftoff. But always keep an eye on Bitcoin price. If it starts falling, you should get out of this play, because it can also sell off. But if Bitcoin keeps firing, it is only a matter of time before this flies too. So thank you for watching. This video is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a certified financial advisor.